Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In case you are new here, thank you so much. I know guys, it has been so long since I posted my last video, so today I've decided to take a nature walk at the old railway station. Can you see behind? These are actually the old railways. I don't know if they're still working. Guys, I hope you can see clearly. I don't know if they are still working or they are just being put here to stay. So guys, there are so many rails here, I don't even know which one is working. Can you see down? There are so many, there are up to 20, I can't even count them. Can you see? I like it here, it's so quiet. So let me try and move close and see what else I might find. So guys, it's a clear indication that there are actually people around here. So you can see the goats. They can't be that they came alone. There's someone around watching them. But I'm not seeing anyone. Maybe it's going to eat or whatever. So I want to go close and see what else I might find. Let's check. So guys, I can see VOI is actually not very far from here. Can you see those tall buildings there? So I can say this is actually one of the advantages of railway. It leads to development of towns. So as I told you, I'm going close. So guys, I told you I'll be near. This is the one which was carrying people. I don't know if you can see it clearly, but at least you can see the windows. There it is. I'm afraid I might be chased here by the security, so I'm actually behind where no one is seeing me. I hope you can see that place very clearly. Let me zoom it. This one. It's actually written fuel station. I think this is where they used to fill. I don't know if a railway uses fuel or whatever. I don't know. But I can only see it's written fuel. Guys, which you can see here are actually the old houses from the railway. This is where the workers used to stay. There are actually people living here even now. Guess what I've found? I've just found this place written VOI Depot, and on it there's a logo written Coca-Cola. It means that this used to be a depot for the Coca-Cola company. So let's move closer and see what is in it. So guys, this is actually what used to be the Coca-Cola depot at those times, but now no one cares about it. It's actually rough, bushes around, sewages. It actually seems like an isolated place. This is actually how it looks from the inside. There are particles of sodas. It's actually dangerous to enter there if you're barefoot. Seems like no one has ever been here in the past 2 years. So guys, I've just found mango trees here. Seems like the old people usually used to eat mangoes. There's also this tree called kunazi. Down here there are these stones called kokoto. They're actually used in the building process. Guys, I guess the houses in here are actually different compared to the ranking or the position which someone used to work. I can see some are modernized, but some can't explain. Look at this, guys. Can you see this thing which actually looks like a football post? I'm actually told that this is where criminals used to be hanged. Wow, these people must be so hurt. Guys, can you see the 3 colors of the flag? I mean the 4 colors. This is actually a police station. I'm told it was here since the day the railway was built. Wow. I guess what they usually say, there has to be criminals everywhere, so they had to build one here. So that was it for the VOI railway station. I hope you like and enjoy my video. Put a thumbs up, invite, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.